Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing. Make sure you know the Apple ID signed into this device and backup photos you want to keep, because turning off iCloud photos can remove items from the cloud. Once ready, open Settings and tap your name at the top to access iCloud. Next, tap iCloud, then Photos to reveal the photos' sync options. You do this now to reach the exact control that stops syncing. This step prevents accidental loss by ensuring you have a local copy before changes. Now you turn off the sync itself. Toggle off iCloud Photos in the Photos settings. When prompted, choose Download and keep originals if you want the full resolution files stored on the device, or choose Remove from iPhone if you already have backups elsewhere. Make sure to read the prompt. This explains what will happen to cloud-only items. Once done, check any other devices signed into the same Apple ID. They may still have iCloud Photos enabled and keep syncing unless you disable them too. To finish, confirm your photos are available offline in the Photos app and that storage matches your expectations. This verifies downloads completed. Then, if you need cloud-free devices, sign out or change iCloud Photos on your other devices. If something goes wrong, missing images or confusion, do not panic. Recheck backups, connect to Wi-Fi, and try download and keep originals again, or enable iCloud Photos briefly to resync. Then repeat the disable sequence once everything is safe.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.